After parking our cars at the visitor car park in Tower Hill Reserve, it was time to take out the walking boots to catch the view from Peak Hill. It's a 1.5 kilometer walk and about 30 minutes return to the top of Peak Hill. From there you have the highest view from inside the crater. It is classified as a grade 3 due to the fact that it's a bit steep and a lot of steps getting all the way up. It's the purple walk on the circular overview you can see in the beginning. So off we go. So this must be one of the craters within the crater. Here's the top of Peak Hill. The view from here is like one of these glimpse outs. Too many trees, but glimpses of scenery through the vegetation. But you can't complain. The view from here is pretty impressive despite the trees. As you can see, the crater rim is all around us, and this hill is sort of the highest point within the crater. Here are some stragglers coming up. It's a bit of a hike coming up, not that it's a big distance, but a fair few steps. And over there you have the entrance where the cars are, and you can clearly see the crater wall. And the lake here has lots of bird life, and there are another lake on the other side you can't see because of the trees.